Okay, now we are going to next driving derivation for the potential difference between the 2 points. How much potential we have. So suppose this we have a point where charge is Q placed. This is a B point. There is the potential is VB. This is point A. Potential is VA, and this is the point P, and the distance is the dr. So now potential difference due to this 2 point, how much work we have done to bring the charge from P to A and A to B. So the difference inside the field BA is a potential difference. So potential difference, that is del V is equal to, the VB is greater than VA, so potential of V minus potential of A. And just we have find previously the value of potential, we will put here del V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q upon R, but R from till B, minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q upon R A. This is common in both Q. 4 pi epsilon is also common, so Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught K will be common. So here is what? 1 upon RB minus 1 upon RA volt. Now next question, we are going to derive expression for the potential in longitudinal position, or it's also called end on position, end on position, or in the side on position. So see that this we have a dipole AB consists with the two charge minus Q plus Q, and the distance between them is 2a, that is A plus A will become 2a, and from the point P, OP is equal to, we have OP is equal to R. So this distance we have to find the potential. So now potential at P due to plus Q at B. From this B, so we can say this V1 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K. Potential is what? Charge upon distance. Distance is what? BP. So this is the BP. BP will find OB plus OP. So till here is R and this much is A. So it is a R minus A. So V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q upon R minus A. I will say this equation number first. Now similarly I will go to the minus Q at A. So due to this one, similarly minus Q at A. So V2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into charge minus Q upon the distance is AO plus OP will make the AP. So this is A and this is R. So I can write this R plus A, or you can write the A plus R, right? Now total potential. Now total potential. It is V is equal to V1 plus V2. From equation number first and second, we will put the value of V1 and V2 both here. But see that the Q is common in both and 4 pi epsilon is common in both. So we can take Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught K is common. So from here what? 1 upon R minus A. And see that this is a minus and we have taken Q only. So this minus and plus will become minus R plus A. This is a formula A minus B, A plus B. So it is a square minus B square. So R square minus A square. This is cross multiply here. R plus A minus R, and this is a plus A. By this minus, change this sign. Minus R and plus R will be cancelled. So that we have now here V is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into A plus A will become 2A upon R square minus A square. Now since 2AQ is equal to what? We have P. So V is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught K R square minus A square volt. Okay. Now we have the case here. If case is what? If R square is very greater than A square. See that this distance R is very greater than A. So it will, R is neglected. So V is equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught K R square. This one volt. And if you are going for the CGS, it is a P upon K R square stat volt. Now next we are going to find the potential in the broad side on position, or it is called the transverse. Just we have seen in the previous derivation in the side one. So this is called the transverse position. Okay, this is a dipole. Here is a minus q charge, respectively plus q charge in B. This is the point O. From here the distance we have P. This is a R. So this is, we have to find the potential in the broad side on position. This is the distance OP is equal to R and minus Q. So first we will take the B point where plus Q charge. So due to this B, how much potential we have? So due to plus Q at B, now potential, this we can say V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into charge upon distance is what? BP. Now see that this in triangle BOP, in triangle BOP by PZT, if we can use, then it is BP is a hypotenuse square. So BP square is equal to perpendicular OP square plus the base OB square. Now OP is what? OP is R, and this is a till here to here what we have? This is A. So it is A plus A. This is a 2A total. So this is R square plus A square. This I will put in the equation 1. So V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into charge upon R square plus A square. Equation number 1. Similarly, minus Q at A. So similarly, we will go for the minus Q at A. It is A. V2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into charge is minus, and the distance is what? AP. AP. Again, this is a right angle triangle. So AP square is equal to R square plus A square. So AP is, we can say, R square plus A square in the root. We put the value. V2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into minus Q upon under root R square plus A square. This is equation number 2. See that this is the value of BP. So we can put here root. So BP is equal to under root R square plus A square. Now total potential at P, it is V is equal to V1 plus V2. Now from equation first and second I will put the value. This is a 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q upon under root R square plus A square plus minus minus. It is a Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into under root R square plus A square minus and plus, then cancel to V is equal to 0. So in this case the potential is 0. This question asked in 2 marks. In which condition potential is 0? Derive it. So you have to derive it or find the potential in the broadside on position. Now next we are finding the relation between electric field intensity and potential. So what is the relation between the electric field intensity and the potential? So here we have taken the 2 points A and B where the force F is equal to QE, and now this is the intensity, direction of intensity. So here is work done. How much work done we have? So work done, W is equal to, we have FdX, right? Force into displacement, and cos 180, because that is side of positions cos 180. So value of cos 180 is minus 1. So it is a minus F into dx. See that what is the value of F? We have QE. So putting this value here, minus QE, and this is a dx. I will say this is equation number 1. Now potential difference. Potential difference, that is, we can say del V is equal to how much we have? Del V A minus V B. This we can say potential difference. So it is equal to work upon charge. So putting the value, that is VB minus VA, or we can say that is a del V is equal to work. Work how much we have? Minus QE dx upon q is cancel, so it is a del V is equal to minus E into dx, or I can say E is equal to dV upon dx, and this minus I can multiply here. So intensity E is equal to minus dV upon del x is the relation between the electric field intensity and potential.